Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to improve the stream quality on Discord. So, first of all, let's go through the basic settings. Let's go to share your screen, and then let's choose a new screen, and then remember that before you go live, you have basic stream settings where you can adjust the quality. Of course, if you have Discord Nitro, then you have more options. So for instance, with the Discord Nitro, you can select the source quality and the highest frame rate. However, even if despite the highest quality settings, you still encounter some issues with the quality of the stream, let me show you what you can do instead. So let's go to the user settings over here, then choose voice and video, and let's scroll a little bit down until you find these options over here. And what you need to do is disable the OpenH 264 video codec. If you have this enabled, turn it off, and after that, give it a try. Check if the issue still occurs. If people still complain about the quality of your stream, then there is one more thing that you can do. Let's go to the advanced over here, and now disable hardware acceleration. Let's turn it off. And of course, in order to make it work, you will be asked to relaunch the Discord. So press OK. And now once again, give it a try. This should help improve your stream quality. So if you have any stuttering or lags on your stream despite having the highest settings, well, I highly believe that this should help. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.